You don't know how to start a concrete business in California? Stick around to know more. Whether you're looking to specialize in residential projects, commercial work, or any area of concrete construction, we've got you covered. Let's dive right in. The first step in starting your concrete business in California is to decide what type of concrete work you want to specialize in. This could be residential projects like driveways and patios, or commercial work such as building foundations and parking lots. Now it's time to create a solid business plan for your concrete business. This plan will serve as your roadmap to success, covering your target market, financial projections, marketing strategies, and operations plan. Make sure it's distinct from other concrete businesses to avoid legal issues. Your name should reflect professionalism, durability, and reliability in the construction industry. Next, it's crucial to obtain the necessary licenses and permits to operate your concrete business legally in California. Familiarize yourself with the requirements in your area. Hiring skilled staff and investing in quality equipment is a pivotal step for your concrete business. Look for experienced individuals who can handle various aspects of concrete construction, and make sure you have the right tools for the job. To get your concrete business off the ground, start bidding on projects. Tailor your bids to each project's specific needs, highlighting your expertise and competitive pricing in California. Be prepared for startup costs for your concrete business, including licensing fees and personnel additions. Plan your finances to ensure you have enough capital to start your concrete business. The concrete business in California has significant earning potential, especially with the growing demand for construction projects in California. The exact earnings will vary based on factors like location and experience. Establish a strong brand identity by defining your mission, values, and unique selling proposition for your concrete business. Create a professional logo, utilize online platforms, and build relationships with industry professionals to strengthen your brand. In today's digital age, online platforms are crucial for marketing and advertising your concrete business. Showcase your expertise, engage with customers, and build connections with contractors and developers. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide on how to start your concrete business in California. If you want to start right away, Incorporation Attorney can help you incorporate these steps smoothly. We will help you start your business on a solid legal foundation, mitigating potential risks, and setting the stage for long-term success.